How to mute someone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And once you do that, you need to go to the profile of the person that you want to mute. Say for example, this one right here. Once you're here, click on the following drop down and then click on mute. And here you need to turn on these two toggles, and by doing that this person will be muted and you won't see any stories or posts from him. Basically it will not appear to you at all. So that was it for this video. It's pretty quick and easy. That's how you can mute people and accounts on Instagram. If you have any questions, as usual, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.